Often we get the chance to sit together and converse with one another. Family gatherings, luncheons, and all sorts of meetings are some of the occasions where we congregate one time or another. Unfortunately, we seldom follow the right decorum in such gatherings. Some of the things that we often indulge are against good manners and sound conduct. So at times two people start talking or whispering to one another, disturbing others, and making them think that they are unwanted. Being involved in the general conversation requires a little sacrifice. Individual issues can be discussed in individual gatherings. Often, we do not let the person who is speaking complete his conversation. We will interject and start making our own comments in a forceful way. This is like trespassing out of bounds. Patience is the name of the game here. In a small gathering, sometimes we converse with one another by not including one of the persons present. He or she obviously feels embarrassed and left out, and even wonders why at all he or she was there. This, in fact, is very unfair to that person. Many a time we speak out of turn and try to dominate the whole group conversation, if not hijack it. This is a very despicable trait and smacks of arrogance. So these are some of our common failings in group conversation. Let us be more careful in following the decorum of a group conversation.